We've been taking you across the U.S. Today, we're in northern Montana.
It's crazy.
Hopefully it doesn't damage anything.
This place is wild. We're gonna travel along the Going to the Sun Road.
Some of these cliffs are pretty intense.
I feel like I'm gonna pee myself.
Scary cliffs, awesome sights, and more.
It's freezing.
Welcome to Glacier, Montana. Let's do it.
It was a grizzly bear.
This is the most I think I've ever paid for gas.
Sex got interrupted again. Oh my gosh.
What do you think of that, Reese?
It's icy.
Yeah, that's hail. It's about a ½ inch.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
We're in Glacier, and there's been some bad thunderstorms today, and it started hailing.
It's like 80 degrees during the day.
Yeah.
Can I go out there and get rained on?
No, that would seriously hurt, dude.
No, it wouldn't. I'll be fine.
It's like big ice cubes getting pelted at you.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't damage anything.
No kidding. This storm came out of nowhere. It was pretty unsettling how hard the ice was hitting the RV.
It's hitting hard. How's it going?
I'm trying to collect some, but it's raining really hard.
Yeah, I told Reese after it's done you can go collect some, but it started again. I don't think you've ever seen hail, have you?
No. It looks like the Dippin' Dot fans.
Yeah, they can break windows. We don't want it to break any windows.
That's why I'm standing away from the window.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you go looking for an adventure, you find one. We love seeing Reese light up when moments like this take place.
Dude, this now is coming down. Look at that. That was wild.
Is it done?
All right, you can go. Go ahead.
It's cool out here.
Hold on. Look at that. It's like steaming up there.
I know. What happened out here?
Is it cold?
Yes.
Is it smooth?
Yeah. Dad, I think I collected enough.
All right, come on in.
I gotta put it in the freezer fast before it melts.
Let's take a look at it. Oh, it is melting. Good timing, starting to rain again.
Eesh.
Let me see it. I want to see it.
It'll melt.
Yeah, that's pretty good sized.
It's gonna melt, Dada. I gotta put it in the freezer.
Look at that. It's pretty good. All right, go ahead. Oop, there we go.
Whew.
Is that cool?
The next day was a little better. Overcast, but no chance of hailstorms. There is a chance of high winds. We'll keep that in mind because we'll be on the Going to the Sun Road. This 51-mile stretch of road goes along huge cliffs, glacier lakes, and more. It's a must-see, as long as you don't mind driving along cliffs. The road was completed on July 15, 1933, after more than 2 decades of planning and construction.
That's what the cold water reminds me of.
How you liking this?
Good.
Is it scary?
No.
No?
It's my kind of weather.
Oh, how about you, honey?
I feel like I'm gonna pee myself.
Some of these cliffs are pretty intense.
Yeah.
During the planning phase, a team of 32 men climbed 3,000 feet each morning to get to the survey sites, walking along narrow ledges and hanging over cliffs by ropes to take many measurements. Logan Pass is the highest elevation on the road at 6,646 feet.
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
It's freezing.
You can also check out a real glacier here, so off we went.
What do you think of that glacier?
Cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
First glacier you've ever seen?
Should we take a picture?
Me too, yeah.
Just got off of the beautiful Sun Road out of Glacier Park and into the St. Mary's town. We were going to another area, but the winds are kicking up to like 50. So we decided to do a U-turn. As we're driving back, I kind of saw like a bear crossing the road down a side road, and I was like, oh my gosh, a bear. And then I was like, I hope it's a bear, because now we're turning back around to go look at it.
It was a black bear. It had this brown nose. You alright, Reese?
No, I'm not alright.
Oh my gosh,
looked like
that
a young
was
one.
crazy. I saw it climb up and hug that tree. It's in here somewhere.
Where was it?
Oh, we've already passed it because there's that tire.
Oh yeah, he was right behind that tire.
It wasn't a grizzly, right?
No, it's a black bear.
Black bear, even though it was brown. He was like 5 feet from the car, jumped up, clinged onto the tree. He was obviously scared of us. Just kind of stared at us. So that was a really cool experience.
Yeah, it was very close. Closest we've been to a bear, right?
Yes. What'd you think?
I don't even know what to say right now.
Yeah.
That's why I couldn't talk when you were filming me. I don't know what to say.
Mom yelled, "It's a grizzly!"
I thought because it was brown, it was a grizzly bear.
That was such a thrill. Before long, we came to a little mountain town. Better fill up while we can.
Are you gonna go for it?
I can't pass up on a deal. There's not too many gas stations out here, you know? So, and I mean, it's only $6.39 a gallon. This is the most I think I've ever paid for gas. Liquid gold.
Yeah.
Check that out, that's cool.
Awesome.
I'll stop for a picture. Don't want to show too much, Link.
I'm filming it.
Oh, perfect.
They are very friendly here.
They're such friendly people.
I know.
That's a grizzly
Do you
bear.
want to film it with your window down?
Yeah.
It's already going.
May we present the ferocious grizzly bear. Okay, so we have no idea what we're talking about. Pretty sure that's another black bear, but it's cool to see anyway. Along the way west, you can drive along the Weeping Wall, getting drenched by waterfalls and all.
That cool, Reese?
Yeah.
Did you catch it on film?
Yeah, our 32-minute long video so far.
You
the
hold your
stupid
camera up for 32 minutes.
Yeah, well, the little mount, man, it vibrates really bad, so I'm trying to hold it, like, can just put some pressure on it, and it helps. But we'll do a fast motion thing of this thing. Look at that, beautiful, boom. How about that waterfall? You know, I don't think it's always doing that. It just rained really hard. I think we're getting a lot of like the pretty waterfalls on that because of that. So really good time to come up here.
Yeah, it's been great. By the time you're done holding that, it'll probably be an hour and a half.
That's all right. We're coming up on the cliffy section of this, which is certain death all around you. I walked up to it, I looked, I was like, holy crap. Like it's straight down like 1,000 feet.
Oh my gosh. I have to pee again.
You want me to stop at one of those cliffs?
Yeah. Well, just hang me over the cliff.
Well, someone could be like, it's a waterfall.
This was a beautiful spot. The rivers are one of our favorite things to check out. We're always pulled to the water, even if it's a river in the mountains. Back at the RV here, Reese decided to play before we turn in for the night.
Sex got interrupted again. Oh my gosh. Shit.
He doesn't stop. He doesn't stop.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's going down. He's going down. Oh.
Okay.
Where is he? Where is he?
Oh!
Did I get him?
I don't know. I heard something. As long as he's not on me. I think you got him.
Yeah, well, he's gonna be stunned. He's not gonna be dead. I need to find him. This has been the most magical moth I've ever seen.
I'm hiding under the blankets. This is what sex has come to. I heard him go down. You hit him hard. I think he went down like that way. Behind you. Unless he's in our bed.
Coming up,
It's your 7 a.m. wake up call. It's been going on since 7. Oh my god.
we'll stop at Washougal, Washington before we continue toward California.
Where'd you hear that?
Not a school bus.
And we'll check out the redwoods.
Here we go.
It only took us 13 years.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.